Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to this video lecture topic on measures of central tendency. In that, mean, median, mode. Mean is nothing but simply the mean of a variable is defined as the sum of the observations divided by the number of observations is called as mean. The formula of mean under the mean there are three categories. One is for ungrouped data, another one is for discrete data, then one more is continuous data. Under the ungrouped data, the formula is x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. Under the discrete data or series, x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. For continuous data or series, x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. Median. The median is that value of the variate which divides the group into two equal parts. One part comprising all values greater and the other all values less than median. Under the median, there are three categories. One is for ungrouped data or individual series. Second one is discrete. Third one is continuous. Under the ungrouped data, or individual series, there is a formula. If n value is odd or number of the n value is odd number like 1 3 5 7 9 like that, so the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2th term. Similarly, if n is even number 2 4 6 8 10, the median is equal to n by 2th term. Let us move to the discrete data or series. The formula is median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th term. Followed by that, for continuous data, median class is equal to n divided by 2th term. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. Here L is whereas L is nothing but a lower limit of the median class. F is nothing but a frequency of the median class. Cf is nothing but a preceding term of the cumulative frequency of the median class. I is nothing but a size or difference or width of the median class. Let us move to the mode. The mode refers to that value in a distribution which occur most frequently. It is an actual value which has the highest concentration of its in and around it. According to the Croxton and Cowden, the mode of a distribution is the value at the point around which the items tend to be most heavily concentrated. It may be regarded as the most typical of a series of values. Under the mode, again, there are three categories. One is for ungrouped data or individual series, discrete series, then continuous series. For ungrouped data or individual data or series, the formula is maximum number of times repeated values. Under the discrete data, formula is maximum frequency. Then continuous data, under the continuous data, the formula is model class is equal to maximum frequency, median is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I, whereas L lower limit of the model class, f0 is preceding frequency of the model class, f1 is frequency of the model class, f2 is succeeding frequency of the model class, I is nothing but a size or difference or width of the model class. This is a very important concept which we understood mean, median, mode. Let us solve one problem based on the based on the continuous series under the mean, median and mode method. Here question number 1, find mean, median and mode under the continuous series. First and foremost, already we know that there are three series in under the mean, median, mode. One is the individual, another is the discrete, and one more is continuous. For the exam point of view, continuous series is very important. That's why I am concentrating on the continuous series. We are going to find out the mean, median and mode. Let us go for the mean. Before that, just we have to understand the question. In the question they have given class interval, cash inflow below 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and above 70. Then F is stand for frequency, 6, 10, 24, 28, 14, 5, 3. This is the question. We have to find the mean, median and mode under the continuous series. Before solving any problem, just we have to understand the first we have to write the formula or understand the formula. That formula will help us to find in the next category. What I want to find out, that will show by the formula. Okay, in the cash in CI class interval. In the class interval already they are given below 10. Below 20 is nothing but a 10 to 20, because 20 30 10 difference, 30 to 40 10 difference, each CI 10 10 difference. That's why we have taken 10 to 20. This is class interval is nothing but a 10 to 20, 20 to 30, so on. After that frequency they have given, according to that we have taken the frequency also. So we are going to find out the mean. Mean formula is x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. So x here x value they have, here in this problem or in the continuous series they will not give the x value directly. We have to find out how you can find out the x value. The midpoint is nothing but a x value. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2, 15. Which is the lower value of the class interval. If we add 5 5, then it become the x value. For example, 10 to 20, 30. 30 divided by 2, 15. Again 20 plus 30, 50. 50 divided by 2, 25, so on. So this is the midpoint. We can, midpoint is nothing but a x. Now already they have given the value f and they have given the value x. So the n, f value, the total is n. N is nothing but a sigma f. Number of total frequencies is nothing but a n. Okay, now we got the x value. What is the x value? That already we know here. Now we are going to find out fx value, because mean formula is sigma fx divided by n. N value already we have. So fx value, see, we have to multiply f into x, then become fx. 6 into 6 into 15, 90. 10 into 25, 250. 24 into 35, 840. That's so on. Then we got the fx value, that is 3760. Now the formula is x bar, actually bar is not there. X bar is equal to, x bar is equal to mean is equal to fx divided by n. Fx, how much fx? Fx value is 3760 divided by n is equal to 90. So the mean is 41.7. Almost it is 42 is the mean. This is the answer for mean. Now let us move to the median. Okay, already I told you, before solving any problem, just we have to understand or you should write the formula. Median formula is n by 2th term. Median is equal to n by L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. Here we are going to find out the CF, cumulative frequency. Okay, we have to find out. See, here we have found the cumulative frequency CF. How to find out this one? You have to write CF here. The frequency, first year of the frequency you should write here 6. Again we have to add next year frequency. Automatically we'll get it. Next class interval frequency 10. 6 plus 10, 16. 16 plus 24, 40. 40 plus 28, 68. 68 plus 14, 82. 82 plus 5, 87. 87 plus 3, 90. Okay, it's equal to n value. N is equal to 90. This is also 90. Now we got the What is that? Cumulative frequency. Okay, now we'll go to the formula. Median formula is equal to n divided by 2 term. I mean n already we know that 90 divided by 2 is around 45th. 45th term means we have to look at here in the 45th term. Where it is 45th term here? 45th. Okay, in the CF you can look at the value 45th value, where it will come, this one. We have to select this area. Okay, after 45th, what is the value that we have to select? This is the value of that. Okay, now we got it. This is the value here. This is the lower value. Then this is the frequency, and that preceding the column, this one, that is a CF that we have to take care. This is a CF, cumulative frequency. I will show now. Median is equal to L. L already I told you, lower limit of the class interval, plus n by 2 is nothing but n is nothing but 90 divided by 2. We have made it here 45, minus CF, cumulative frequency, which I show you now, just now, that is a 40. Okay, so that we can take it 40 divided by 20, sorry, divided by F is something 28 is a frequency value. Where you selected now, that value you have to take this one, 28, into I, class interval, means difference between the class interval is 10. If you calculate this one, 40 as it is, you can take it. Then 45 minus 40 is nothing but 5 divided by 28 into 10. Then 40, actually it is a plus, actually. Okay, 5 divided by 28 to 28, 28, 0.17 into 10, so 1.7 plus 40, 41.7, almost 42. This is the median value. Okay guys, after that we'll move to the mode. The formula is very simple. Mode class is equal to maximum value of the maximum number of the frequency. Here, what is the maximum number of the frequency? Yes, that we have written here. Okay, in this frequency column we have to see which is the maximum frequency. This is 28, so we have to select the 28 is the maximum frequency value. Here 40 is the lower value. Then we can consider this the f1, f0 and f2. F0 is nothing but preceding the previous year. Then it's the succeed, f2 is nothing but succeeding the next year. So this is what the formula. Just we will go for the formula. Formula is z is equal to, mode is denoted by z. Z is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I. That already I told you what is f1, f0 and f2, and I also is the class intervals. According to that we have to take the value, L value. This is what 40, where it is 40 here. We have selected this area, right? Maximum frequency. This is the 40, it is the lower value. This is the f1 value. This is the f0 value. This is the f2 value. That differences between the class interval, that is what I. That we have to take it here as it is. You can take it here 40 here, then 28 minus 24, f1 minus f0, again 2 f1, 2 into 28, f1 is 28 minus f0 24, f2 14 into class interval is 10. If we calculate this one, final answer we will get it 42.2. I mean mode is equal to 42.2, even median is equal to almost it is 41.7, almost 20 42. Then mean is equal to 41.7, I mean 42. Almost we got the 42 is the answer for our solution for this problem. This is a 14 marks question for your final examination. I hope you understood. Thank you.